I've found 3 AI tools that you can use to animate and make your photos talk for free. In this video, we will review each of them and decide which is the best. Let's skip the talking and check out the first AI tool. Word about this AI tool, Hedra AI, has been going around YouTube recently, so you might have heard about it. This first tool is called Hedra AI. This is their website. You can find all the links for the tools in the description. Click Try Beta before we try generating our own videos. Let's look at their featured videos first.
Rolling up colonies, red coat hats on my list. G-Dub on the track, better brace for the fist.
Welcome to a test of the Hedra Alpha.
But not too creative.
Introducing Hedra's Foundation Model Preview.
According to Hedra's post on X, the Character 1 model has an infinite duration and 30 seconds for the open preview. You can use it to give your characters expressive talking, singing, and rapping. To try it, you have the option to upload or generate the audio and character. Hedra partnered with 11 labs, so the voice quality will be ultra-realistic. I'll paste a text sample and find a voice. If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities. Now let's generate an image and click Generate.
Oh, wow! I've always dreamed of this moment, but now that it's real, I don't even know where to start. Wild adventure.
Ready for the ride? Are you gonna feel it? Break free from the tide. Are you gonna feel it? Let your heart ignite. Are you gonna feel it?
Next, we move to the second tool called Morph Studio. This is their website. Click Get Started, then click Create New Project. Select your aspect ratio, then click Create. On the left sidebar, click Animate your image and then Lip Sync. Each second of video generation costs 10 credits, and we have 2 options. Option 1, upload an image here and turn it into video, then use the lip sync feature after. This method will cost more. Option 2, convert our image into video using Canva or CapCut, then upload it directly here. This will cost less. Let's try both options. I used an image I generated with Leonardo AI and uploaded it here. Click the button to choose a camera movement. If you don't want any movements, just click static. You can generate up to 10 seconds max duration. As for the motion settings, the higher the number, the more movements there will be. Once done, click the star icon to generate. Here's the result. Miss Johnson was reading a story earlier in class and she got super close. Now let's try option 2. I used a square video template on Canva and uploaded the same photo. I adjusted the duration to less than 4 seconds and downloaded it with no special movements added. Let's upload the video and the audio file, then click the star icon to generate. Here's the result. Miss Johnson was reading a story earlier in class and she got super close. As you can see, we just used up our credits. This tool only offers 120 credits per month with the free plan. Finally, let's go to the third free tool, Pika. This is their website. Click Try Pika, then upload your image. Once done, click Lip Sync and upload your audio file. Choose Attach and Continue, then click Generate. Our video is now generating, but let's skip to the result. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. As of now, Pika can only generate 3 seconds of video. You'll get 250 initial credits with the free plan, and it will refill to 30 credits daily once the initial credits run out. The first AI tool, Hedra, is more specified for making characters talk, while the other tools are built for wider video generation purposes. As of now, you can access these tools for free, so try them while you can. Don't forget to leave a like if you find this video helpful. Which one do you like best, and what AI tools do you want to see in the future? Comment below.